Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclopentadienyl bromine is given. You are reacting with silver bromide. You have to find the final product and you have to find whether the reaction is feasible or not. Here the final product is just a formation of salt, but it is not feasible. The reason lies in the Huckel rule because the intermediate form is cation. So the cation stability dictates the final product, but the cation is anti-aromatic. The anti-aromatic in the sense it has 4n pi electron, which is 4 pi electron, unconjugated and planar. So it is anti-aromatic, highly unstable. The system never goes from stable to unstable system. So the reaction is not at all feasible. The concept you have to learn here is anti-aromatic compounds are unstable. It dictated the reactivity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.